Hey guys, this is Leo. Welcome back to the channel. One of the better days that I've had so far. I did get 3 bites. Unfortunately, I did lose the last fish. I was fishing in the nasty, and it broke me off and took the bait with him. So I got a fish out there swimming with a silky six in his mouth. What can you do? You win some, you lose some. Did have, like I said, those 3 bites, so pretty much, a better day that we've had. Thanks for coming back. On the lake, it wasn't too bad. We still have that summer activities out there, so a lot of jet skiers and stuff like that. So waves did get a little crazy at the end when I was packing up, so left just in time. Appreciate y'all. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions on the bite, feel free to comment. Moment of silence, like I said, for that silky six. Anyway, enjoy.
No small one, guys. Silky six. Good one, boys. Good one. Get up, get up, get up. Oh! Fucking go. Big one, boys. Fuck yeah. Woo! Let's fucking go. There it is, boys. On the silky. One. Little 5-pounder, guys. One last shot. No! Big fish?
Catfish.
Big cat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. Get him, buddy. You need help?
I got it. Woo.
That's a big one. Double digit? Get him, get him, get him, get him. Nice, big blue. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Woo! That's a nice one. You want a picture?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. There you, I saw you bent over him. I'm like, man, it's a big one.
They did. I didn't know they bite. I go,